Hi friends, you see this whole fish. I'm trying to cut and clean this for the first time ever. I've never done this before. Usually I would get a fish which is already cut, or if I had to go to a store, the person would cut and clean and give that to me. I wanted to learn this by myself, just in case there is a situation where I get a whole fish like this next time. I know that I can do this with confidence. So let's see how successful I am. So first let me go and try to remove the fin goes first. Fin. Okay, so this is one. Now getting this also goes again. This is done. Now I will try to get this trimmed again. Let me see if I am able to do this way. I am almost successful doing this, and then this way. So I come from southern part of India, where fish is one of the favorite food, and my wife she comes from a state called West Bengal, where fish is a staple diet. And today this task is something which I'm liking it. So I dissect this. Let me see. Okay, I need to clean this. Okay. Now the other part, I also know that what in India I have seen is that they would slice this part, okay, and they would do something like this. Let me see if I can. Okay, am I successful? This has to be cleaned. Okay, I just put this insertion. Okay. Wow, this requires a lot of skill. I thought it to be an easy thing, but then good part is that I got through this thing which I need to empty. Okay, you see, this needs to be cut open. And this has to be taken out. Okay, let me clean it up. Okay, this cavity is clean, and this also. Let me. Wow, successfully I have taken out. So you see, now the cavity is completely clean, and let me put some insertions into this. Okay, to this let me add this garlic and ginger paste. Let me put this ginger garlic paste, turmeric, cumin. Here goes the coriander powder, chili, salt, little pepper, and then little bit of oil. I'm using a normal sunflower oil, and then I will go ahead and liberally apply this all over. Let me use both hands. So now I will leave this to marinate for some time, and then let's see how the next process follows. Wow, I did not know that this is not very difficult. I know that there are trained people who does it very fast, and this is my first experience, so I think I've done pretty well to do this in about 6 to 7 minutes. Now I will keep this for marination, let it go for about 1 or 2 hours, and then we will see what I do next.
So you see now the fish is marinated and I am also fresh. Let it go into the oven and wait for some time, 20 minutes, and it is done.
This is my first fish preparation. Thanks for watching Canada Tried and Tested.